Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything down and isolating the system to avoid sparks. Identify the driver's impedance and match it to the amplifier output. Mismatch can damage hardware. Once done, strip 6-8 mm of insulation, tin or crimp terminals, and attach the positive to the amp's plus terminal and negative to minus. Make sure to route wires away from moving parts and heat. Secure with zip ties and label channels so you don't swap polarity later. Now you connect the driver to the amp output using your chosen connectors. Spade or banana buys reliable contact, while soldered joints reduce resistance. Once connected, set crossover points and filters to protect the driver and shape sound, low pass for subs, high pass for tweeters. Make sure to set initial gain low, then increase while playing test tones. If you bridge channels for more power, confirm the resulting load is within amp specs. Otherwise, you risk overheating or clipping. Power up the amplifier with volume at a low setting and play a steady test tone or music at low level. This reduces the chance of pops damaging the driver. Gradually raise gain while listening for distortion, buzzing, or overheating. Make adjustments to EQ and crossover as needed. Once settled, reinstall covers and tidy wiring. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get no sound, immediately power down and check fuses, ground connection, and that polarity and terminal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.